chat. So we all love a good meal, and despite background and culture and all of that, what most people have in common rather is that we enjoy eating and even cooking together. So I was quite surprised when the recent article that the Harvard Business Review posted had eating and cooking together as one of their strategies. So Ziggy, what's your opinion on this?
So I must say, as you said, I was very surprised that they had that as part of their strategy. So I've seen teams order food and eat together, and the eating together is valuable in itself. But as I was reflecting on the preparation of food and how we as families create that huge fun and unity while preparing food together, I can just imagine that this is an extremely good strategy. They actually took it as far as saying that people at work will always cook together. Lunchtime, people prepare lunch together and everyone brings their own stuff. And that's just taking it to the next level. But I think there's value in both eating together, preparing food together, and then even possibly planning new and fun things in the meal together. Maybe try to make a meal that is not the norm and the standard thing, and that would create creativity and unite the team even more, especially after this time where we were separated so much and people are feeling alienated from others. I think a meal can just unify people in new and fresh ways.
Definitely. Thank you so much.
Have fun.